Peppy test. How's that? 1 to 10?
10.
Whoa! Dark chocolate and espresso tiramisu with no eggs. An invention. It's sensational. It's gorgeous. Just like Peppy and I. Ingredients. Today, I am feeling rebellious. I want to create a tiramisu with no eggs, and I want to use one of my most favorite ingredients, dark chocolate. So let's make a sultry, dark, chocolate fondant tiramisu. It's a pick-me-up with espresso and dark chocolate. Perfect for all year round. It's a just gorgeous year tiramisu. Yes. First thing first, we are melting the dark chocolate. I'm using this water bath sauce pot pan. It's a 2-piece. At the bottom you've got the water, and on top you've got the ceramic bowl, and you can literally do this with anything at home where you can boil the hot water at the base and put a bowl, whatever bowl, ceramic, glass, on the top of it. It cooks it very gently without disrupting it. We break the chocolate straight into the ceramic bowl that is sitting on the hot water. So we're melting the dark chocolate. I'm using a simple Lindt dark chocolate. This is a 70% cocoa dark chocolate bar. And we're melting it down. And it's so simple at the same time. And it's so delicious. Basically, the finish is a simple chocolate espresso tiramisu with 0 eggs. Perfect if you're scared, if you're off of eggs, if you think that they're a little too heavy for your diet, but you still want a sweet dessert, this is the one. Cooking with a water bath is a very ancient method, dating almost 2,000 years back. In Europe, it is also called Bagno Maria. Maria is the name of a lady, and bagno means bathing. So it was bathing and cooking, just like Maria, who was the mother of alchemy in Western societies. So it cooked in a very slow way without ruining or spoiling the elements. And this is what we use in a very gentle way of cooking the dark chocolate, just like Maria the alchemist did 2,000 years ago. Yeah, I feel a bit like Maria now. The other thing I really wanted to say is the cookies that I love for this specific tiramisu, and we used a few different types, is the classic ladyfinger, in Italian savoiardo. Now, it is also interesting to know, and I will link this in my Amazon shop. I'm all gonna create in my storefront a dark chocolate tiramisu for you, but you can do any tiramisu, including this one, with gluten-free Italian savoiardo cookie from Verona. And I'm going to link the exact cookie that is sold on Amazon because it's brilliant. You can have a tiramisu fully gluten-free and even with no eggs. It's fabulous. Now we combine the mascarpone cream with the powdered sugar. A couple of tips regarding the cream for this tiramisu to make it decadent. Gorgeous, smoothly velvety. Now the tiramisu cream, in this case the mascarpone, and the sugar together combined. For this specific step you need to have the mascarpone at room temperature, and the mixing of it is either done by hand with a whisk or on a very low speed electric whisker. Why? Because you do not want to break apart the structure and divide all the fat from the mascarpone cream. You have to be very, very gentle. It's like having a dinner date with your romantic partner. It needs to be intentional, it needs to be delicate and slow, the movement. The dark chocolate is mixed in, and then we add a splash of milk. Now let's move this aside. We create the whipped cream, but we need an assistant. Penelope! Penelope, we need your stool. Go get it, girl. We're gonna add the cream.
Ooh, looks like white chocolate.
Now I want you to help me. We're gonna whip the cream
Okay.
till it's like fluffy as a cloud. Now let's taste it.
You need sugar.
Yeah, there's gonna be sugar.
Uh-huh.
Because now we add the whipped cream to our chocolate mousse. Nice. So we add the whipped cream a little bit at a time, Peppy.
Good.
Right? And now we start with the layers. Layers upon layers of gorgeous espresso shots and the Savoiardi cookies at the bottom. I'm using a lot of coffee here because I really want to drench the cookies. So you can always make more as you go along, like I had to do. But I definitely want, and I've seen this when I go to restaurants, even cafes, or at many tiramisu that are kind of dry. And the secret is really dipping the cookie full immersion so that it's really soft, moist, and flavorful with espresso. Now the final layer of cream. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeously ready to go in the fridge for up to 2 hours. Remember, the longer the better. It gets all compacted, the flavors go all intermingling with each other, and then we create the garnish to top right before serving. So that'll be cocoa powder, some curls of chocolate on the top. It's going to be perfectly perfect, just like you. We cover and in the fridge for 2 hours. Keep refrigerated and serve chilled. My favorite part, the topping. Bye. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Okay, Peppy, this is very important. I need you to close your eyes. Now, open your mouth. Now, very slowly. Tell me, what does this tiramisu remind you of? What can you see?
Italy.
Italy.
And boats.
Boats. And what are you doing?
Playing.
Playing? So the dark chocolate, the espresso gives you that feeling that you're in Italy? Love that. And now make this tiramisu for someone you love and let me know how it goes. Send me pictures. See you next week.
I want to eat that.
The spatula?
Yeah, not the spatula, the...
Oh yeah, the whisker?
Yeah. It's called whisker.
It's a whisk, yeah.
Wow.